They made all lobbies paid. GOV is the one already, lazy trader. Is that what it is? Is that the one that's gonna make us rich today? Morte, good morning, bro. New day, new opportunities. That's right. That is all I can do today. When you just gonna sit patient, watch the opportunities, and trade him the same as always. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, come on. Good morning, Address. Good morning, John, Morte, Jofi, Ape Trades. Good morning, everybody. Morte is right. New day, new opportunities. So let's get it done today. Let's get it done today. Hold on, I'm waiting for this thing to load. Alright, I'm good. So, gappers, I got GOEV, HSTO, INDO, and BHAT. And then Lazy Trader on YouTube is saying GOEV is the one. So, GOEV. GOEV is already squeezing. GOEV has room to. Wow, this one's sold off so bad. I was gonna say it has room to 462, and then I looked at the chart right now and it's at 461 already. And after that, it could get to 6. Wait a second. Oh yeah, it's to $6 maybe. It's possible. It's possible. But this is a pretty big squeeze already from 2 to 4. It's already up what? Where's the percentage? Oh, it's probably not because it's not marked up on yet. All right, so GOEV. Well, $5 will be the next resistance. Ape Trade said the same ones. John said Hindo is the. Yeah, and I do have the continuation of. I'm surprised PLRX did not gap up more overnight. I mean, it kind of did, but sold off. I really thought this stock was going to be up in the 26, 27, $28 today, which is why I took that position yesterday. By the way, those of you guys that got off early, or actually didn't get off early, I did this afterwards anyways. I did jump in on another trade, PLRX. Let's see if it shows it. Yeah, so this trade right here, I bet really small. I started averaging on this little pullback there, thinking this stock was going to come up to hit a new high, which at this point, that was a high. Right there, I was like, I just feel this stock is going to come back to a high. So I averaged in here 500, and I completely forgot about these trades. Like, on purpose, I was like, if I just watch it, I'm going to start taking profit. And if I don't watch it, I'm just going to put a stop loss and then let it go all the way until it does. And then I'll come back and look at it at 3 o'clock. So I put a stop loss. I think it was like a risk of $300-400 on this one. I'd love for outcome to spike at open. Oh, look at it. And I just totally forgot about it. And then I came back at 255 or something like that, and I looked at it, and I was up like $500-600. So I closed 100 out. And then I actually wanted to close another 100 out here. No, actually, I wanted to put a stop loss, but with the extended good to cancel time and force, because otherwise my other one wasn't going to work in the post hour market. And so I tried putting it, and I don't know what I did wrong. I might have just put a limit order instead of a stop limit, because it's different when you're doing it in market hours, extended market hours. And so I did the wrong one, I guess, and I accidentally sold all 400 right there at 22.78, which kind of lucked out because I don't know that I would have sold all through here, me thinking the stock was going to be at 26, 27, $28. And so I guess that worked. That worked pretty well. So I did recover like 700 bucks on there. Good job, Morte. Good job, Morte. You're pretty patient about trading on all the paper trading and stuff like that, so good job. All right, so GeoEV has 461 high and then $5. And then we got HSTO high of 592, so $6 is right above it. That's what you're mostly going to be looking at. Eric Reed said BHAT has news. Says 360 a share. Okay. Awesome, awesome, awesome. HSTO tried making a squeeze in April and got rejected, so this might be another good squeeze on it. And that one is spiked up all the way to 920s, which is pretty good room from here. Pretty solid downtrend there as well. Indo. This is the stock that went parabolic from $2 to 86. From $2 to $86. So kind of already broke downtrend on this one actually. And then high is 886, which is a $9 target. And then get over VWAP for this one. So let's go ahead and mark these on here. We got GOEV. Anybody take some trades after a stream yesterday and did pretty good or anything? So I got GOEV, HSTO, Indo, and BHATs. All these stocks look pretty good today, actually. I'm not gonna lie, they actually look pretty good. I'm liking all of these. The only thing I could say is I feel like a lot of these are already pretty extended. Like GOAV looks extended to me. I didn't mark this high. Like GOEV looks pretty overextended, right? From $2 all the way to almost $5. That's a pretty big move. HSTO from $2 to $6. I mean, pulled back, so this one looks good there. Indo straight from 6 to 8. Like almost no pullbacks. Same thing with BHAT, no pullbacks, straight from 2 all the way up to 383. And then continuation plays, KSPN is holding the move pretty well. It hasn't given most of it back. So the high was 741 and only dropped to, well, I guess that's almost a dollar, $2 a share, but it's not like the chart looks good. This is the one that I didn't trade yesterday much, and then I walked away during this whole middle session right here. Like I walked away from my computer, all of this, and I just feel like this is about as clear as trades as you can ever ask for. Right here, like all of this, like you just draw a downtrend, and then just buy the breakout, draw a downtrend, just buy the breakout, draw a downtrend, and just buy the breakout. Even here, draw the downtrend, buy the breakout. It would have worked once, twice, 3, 4 times. And I just was not watching this at all then. So sucks, 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 sucks. And then I came back, actually, because then I started seeing it, and I think I came back and then saw it in this area, and then I tried trading it there. Small share size, so I didn't make or lose anything. Pretty much irregular, but got chopped up around there. But yeah, Lazy GOEV is up because it will work with Walmart. Okay. Okay, now let's see these chats over here. Let's see. Blair, good morning, Blair. Good morning, Blair. I took one on PLRX and lost another 175. Dang, sorry about that. Careful going along with HTO. Up on no news. Went up over 100. Has given back a lot of its gains. At this point, I can see it coming up to the downtrend line and keep going down. Check Akan. I'll check Akan. Small cap summer, hopefully. Haha. GOV had news on Walmart purchasing EV delivery vehicles from them. GOV could be interesting because of the Walmart news. That's right. Yeah, I do like GOV. And then Akan. Somebody's calling out Akan. Okay, Akan looks decent. It looks decent. It looks decent. Looks tradable. It looks trade. How much time do we? Oh my god, we still have 5 minutes. Was I on early today? What do y'all think of Tesla? Another lower leg down? Another leg down? That's what I'm thinking. Today will be top notch. Let's go. Also keep your eyes on Indo. I do like Indo in that one. I think so. As far as float, I think Indo. Yeah, Indo has a 2 million float. Oh, I guess HSTO2 BHAT has 4 million, and then sucks, but GOV has 100 million, which is, I guess, okay. I am not trading indices. I am trading low cap penny stocks. And CryptoWire. Good morning, crypto. Tesla's getting right in the triangle, which is why I think Tesla has more room down. Here's my Tesla chart. So we had this little bit of a triangle that I had drawn right there and right there. We kind of broke out of it. Oh yeah, there goes GOEV. This is what I hate. I need those stocks to pull back and rally during market open, not pre-market. So pulled out of that triangle and then tucked right back in, and now we're holding that 180 SMA here. If I see Tesla pull up today at all back up to 710, 720s, anywhere in that area, I will buy some puts. I don't think. I think Tesla needs to go down again, back to this 666 level. Wow. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. The low of this, all of these lows right here on Tesla was 666. Wow, 666. Morning, handsome Agaska. Good morning, finger crossed. Do you guys think GOV would be a good swing? That news is pretty good. Was explaining that there is going to be another Fed meeting this week, plus earnings season starts, so bad earnings can bring the whole large cap market down. Yeah. Stop at every stop at entry if it spikes at the bell. Morning, Darth Trader. Good morning, everybody else in here that doesn't chat or doesn't comment. I know you guys are still in here, so good morning, anyways. Lazy Trader, I think GOEV is going to the moon. No, seriously, I do think Tesla's gonna go down. What? I guess the earnings could play into effect though. Like if they are good, then this might just end up rallying for no stupid reason. But technical wise, I see this pennant right here, and I see that we broke out of that pennant, tucked back in the pennant. So I think Tesla has room down to 666 first, and then 639s, 40s next. So, but earnings is not until next week. Yeah, next week. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. How much time we got? A minute 30. A minute 30. A minute 30, and we are ready to take some trades on GOEV. Okay, let's see. So GOEV is probably my number one stock, and then I got Indo's up there, and then HSTO, but looks like GOEV might be the play. And then I'm gonna put alerts on KSPN from yesterday, just anywhere appears if it starts rallying. And then PLRX looks like I already got an alert on that one. VLCN, I already have an alert on that one as well. Put it a little bit higher just so it doesn't trigger for no reason. And GOEV. So, alright, let's do this, team. Good morning, Devi. I wonder if Tesla will have anything to do with GOV because the news is EV related, like the way it moves today. I don't think so. Especially being a low cap stock, it's gonna be manipulated more than Tesla, how it just moves. Yeah, if Tesla gets up to 7/16s, I might get in a put. We shall see. Okay, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. GOV trying to hold. Oh, 450 is down here. I hate when they do this, guys. It's just like, I just hate when they do this. This is what PLRX did yesterday. First minute spiked up, pulled back, almost seemed like it was going to flush, held it, and then ripped into a halt. Like that, exactly like this. And then it ripped up, did a micro pullback, and then halted. I see BHAT coming up to VWAP, trying to at least. So it looks like GOEV is breaking down. Looks like Indo is straight up flushing down as well. BHAT could not get up to that VWAP as well. And Tesla's picking up to 7/16s almost. There's Tesla up there. I really do want to short it. Akan. Okay, I see Akan. My alert was right there. My alert is right there. Akan is trying to break VWAP right now. There we go. Broke VWAP on Akan. And then GeoEV actually turned back around. Akan looks perfect to me right there, but I'm just hesitating. Akan literally VWAP hold right here just looks perfect. I guess I'll try it a little bit. Only took 2,500 shares to see if we just hold this VWAP move. Good morning, Sniper Traits. So we're gonna find some trades together or what? We're gonna put our risk. I'm already getting destroyed on this one, man. Like the second I buy on all these VWAP bounces. Are you guys doing the same thing as me, buying these VWAP bounces and getting flushed through it, or no? Yeah, I need to start doing this because this is what I've been doing. I think I got burned on one trade like this yesterday. Although this one in 5 minutes is still gonna, it still looks like it wants to hold VWAP. I'm gonna get out. There goes GeoEV. GeoEV. This is a good pullback here, maybe. Okay, I took some profit there. That was a good little micro pullback on a engulfing candle. This probably has room to $5. Now it's looking to $5. I'm looking to see if GOEV. I tried a different type of buying. I tried maybe buying the break out of it at 491 because it stopped at 490. So I tried getting at 491 and see if it had room to $5 right away. And it hit 492, filled me in, and then pulled back. So that was kind of funny how that worked. So 501 entry. Okay, I see it. Here we go. I'm gonna be patient and pretend like I'm taking the trade at 501, but I already have him at 491 with a stop at 486. That's even if I get the trade at $5 from here. This thing wants $5 already. You can tell it wants it. So 495 is holding pretty good on this stock. I might let this one keep holding these shares, but see if it wants to pull back a little bit. I'm gonna be patient with these 1,500 shares. I'm gonna be patient with these, and I'm gonna try to snag more on the pullbacks. Like there, I'm gonna try to snag some shares there and see if this wants to turn back around to $5. I'm gonna be patient with these. I think $5 is possible. So I'm gonna try to average in a little lower and then hold these back for the curl over 5 and see if I get one good trade. Okay, so that hit the 9 EMA. Now I want this one to turn back around. If this flushes through this level, this just looks like the first pullback, and I'm looking at the 5 minutes, and this looks like a 5-minute pullback as well. 2 red candles holding the low of 4.8. So I'm trying to be patient with these shares. And then see if this wants to curl back up to that $5 mark. And then Sniper Trades will take his entry and get in there. This is where I would want the stock to now start rallying back up. This is where it needs to start opening up, I say. This is where I believe it needs to start opening up, back up to 486, back up to 4.9, back up to $5. It has to do it here. Right? I see you guys calling out a halt, but I am in with 4,500 shares on this stock over here. On GOEV, waiting, anticipating the break of $5. So I'm waiting to see if we hold this low here and then curl back up. Okay, there we go. That's what I was thinking. Now keep curling back up. Start adding volume. There we go, just like that. Small little pullback here, and then keep rising back up to $5. Come on, just give me one good trade. I was very patient on this trade. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna take 500 and leave 4,000 shares. Come on, break a 5. You can do this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'll take some here in case it's a double top, and then I have 3,500 shares ready to rip through these 4.95 and $5. So this is what we want right here. Back up to 5, and then hopefully Sniper takes his trade, and hopefully his play out, because then I'll have 3,500 shares ready for this as well. Oh, I didn't realize. I thought I was looking at the 5-minute. I was looking at the 2-minute candles over here. Okay, there's $5. Can we break $5? Can I break? I'll sell 500 there. I have 3,000 shares left. Come on, break $5 and pull away, please. All the way to 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $7, $10, $15, something. A lot of people in at $5, man. I feel like I have to stop out now. I feel like that was the trade there. I feel like I have to stop out. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient. No, this candle looks heavy. Bro! Oh my god, guys. I think I read that stock perfectly. I think I read that stock perfectly. I was up $600 before a break of 5. I was up $600 before the break of 5. I don't think I could have played it any better. GLSI. Okay, from one stock to the other. I feel like everything that's been halted recently just keeps flying. Is this the first halt it has? 832, 833, yeah. Should we just put like 500 shares here? Oh. Morte, which stock is that you're posting the news from? Okay, okay. I thought I had freaking GOEV perfect. Oh, this has a high of 1247. I didn't even look left. Wow, this is cool. This is awesome. What time did it get halted at then? 34, and it's been 43, so about a minute left if it's a 10-minute halt. Maybe right now, actually. Wow. Was anybody caught in this halt, going into this halt, I mean, sorry? Because you were in at $12 and you instantly spawned $2 higher. Crypto, well, just went below PDT. I'm done trading for a while. No, crypto. No. What happened to... Oh my gosh. Did I not just call the Tesla short at 7,716? Kevin, another 70% day off, 6,500, 2,800 profit. You need to stop this and trade right. Wait through this different market. We are still in momentum. One trade. My profits far exceed yours percentage wise, so maybe you should listen. Just saying closed minds don't get fed and you're constantly losing money. Another 70% day off, 6,500, 2,800 profit. I don't know what you're telling me, Kevin. What are you telling me to do, Kevin? I am not a closed mind. I've literally paid attention to what everybody tells me. We're all here to learn from each other, and I am by no means better than you, or better than all of you guys, so I'm confused at what you're saying. So GOEV, $72 profit. I think Ape Trades, him and I were talking last night, and I think I nailed this stock as far as knowing what it was going to do and being patient. There you go, Blair. There you go. Sniper said I'm confused by that person. Yeah, me too. I think this stock. Well, besides knowing that this was gonna hold its support there, I think it pulled up. I saw this little pullback here. $5 is right there. I let it pull back. I averaged in on this play there, there, and then it literally I said this candle has to immediately curl back up and take that high. Although I think I messed up because I wasn't looking at the 5 minute. I was looking at the 2 minutes, but it kind of helped a little bit there. Oh, he's saying buy one trade, only trade one trade a day. Buy in the pre-market and sell it open. Yeah, he's saying don't day trade this market. So he says just buy the stock, just buy the stock in the morning and then sell it in the open. Although sniper trades, your trade on GOEV would have played out at the break of 501. KSPN. Oh, KSPN is halted. KSPN is halted, guys. Yeah, you can see it on my health scanner. It's at the very bottom right of my stream. You can see KSPN is on there, and GLSI is on there as well. KSPN has a high of 741 yesterday, so depending how this halt goes, this could be pretty good as well. So it halted at 8:45. It is 48, so 3 minutes. GLSI, flag on GLSI. This one is I would think the halt gap right there. Yeah, you could have had an order ready at that halt gap at $12, and you'd be up 12.20 by now. I think that would have been a good dip buy right there. So we got two stocks that are halted right now. One is GLSI. I mean, not GLSI, they got halted. One is GLSI, and the other one is KSPN. So KSPN got halted just now, and it's still halted. And KSPN might actually come alive pretty soon. So I'm going to be watching KSPN. High of this one is 741. ORMP. Oh wow, ORMP. ORMP also, yeah, $10 looks pretty achievable on ORMP. So I'm looking at KSPN, looking at ORMP, and I wish I would have shorted Tesla at 716 like I said. That is ridiculous. is down to 696. ORMP is about to hit 10. There it is. Sniper Trades, did you have an order at 10:01? I have an alert on Behead. I have an alert on Behead. Okay, I'm watching that ORMP play, see if it would have worked. Or see if it's going to work for you. KSPN was halted at 45 and it's been 5 minutes. Oh wait. Maybe it wasn't 45. Let me zoom in. It's 46. So it should be live pretty soon still. I would be interested on GLSI if it recovers that VWAP and then turns back around. I mean, yeah, if it recovers VWAP, holds VWAP, and then comes back up to that $13.5, $14. ORMP, there we go. Good job, Sniper Chase. Yeah, I get what you're saying, Kevin. I get what you're saying. Indo is melting. I think I saw that, so I took it off my charts, and I'm no longer watching it. I'm watching KSPN for the resumption, but it looks like it also might be a 10-minute halt. And then keeping an eye on GLSY and GOV in case any of these two want to turn back around. ORMP looks like also like it could have another leg up. 1050 maybe. Can I buy market on this one? Nope. You used to be able to put an order out like that. Do they not let you anymore? Oh, there goes KSPN. It's live. KSPN is live. KSPN, I'm looking to see if this wants to rip up again to $7 and then 741 high. Just like that, yeah. $7 could be next. Volume is going to start picking up on KSPN, I think. I think KSPN has $7 and 741. Oh wow. Oh wow. I called that next leg up on ORPM. And it just straight up flew. Looking for the $7 break. Here's $7 breaks on here we go. 500 shares in this halt on KSPN. 741 is a high. Oh, not halted, not halted. Not halted, not halted. Wow, I only think hold $7 here. I thought that stock was halted. I thought we were in a. I thought I was in a. Holy crap, Sniper Trades! You killed it right there on ORMP. And then Andres is getting in on GOVE. Taking off a little bit more on KSPN, but I think 741 is going to break on KSPN. I think KSPN is going to hit a new high pretty soon. I think 741 will break. Well, although this is a second candle over 7, this candle has to close high. Nope. I might get out right there at $7. Okay, well I made $500 there, so at least something. Hey, you missed KSPN, but you destroyed ORMP. ORMP, did anybody catch that move with Sniper Trace on OR? Why is it deleting my stocks off my watch list? ORMP, anybody catch ORMP? Jesse, this morning, I literally looked at this chart with everybody and I was like, you know what? If Tesla goes up to 716, I want to short this thing. And I didn't. KSPN won 741 again. If we hold $7, maybe hold above $7 and then a retest of $7 with a lot of support, that might be good on KSPN. But we need candles to not like that, man. Here we go. Maybe potential squeeze here to 741. Good job, Rafa. CG, Rafa. Good job, good job. Akan is moving. Akan is reclaim. Oh, I forgot I had a big, well, not a big loss, but I forgot I had a loss on this stock. KSPN is holding this $7. I think KSPN just wants to break a 741. Here it goes actually again right now. And then ORPH wants to curl back up for $11. There's the break of 741. This is where I wish I had my shares still. But this maybe has room to $8 now. If it starts picking up volume like this. Looking to see if KSPN wants to really take off to 8. Now it wants to halt. Now it halts. When I'm not in it. By the way, Jesse, I did expect Tesla to keep pulling down just because of yesterday's. So I bought another spread on Tesla. I think below 703 by Friday, and I think I make like $300. I think my risk was like 250 or something like that. Oh my gosh, KSPN nuts, man! I only made 500 on it. I played it very small, so I made $500 with only 1,500 shares. There goes ORMP for a high of 11. ORMP maybe wants to hit $11. Sorry. Dang, I did mention this little pullback here, and I was like, this one has room for another leg up. But I was so in KSPN that I didn't have time to trade it. But if you were able to take that as I was calling it out, good job, guys. And then Sniper Trades obviously jumped in on this trade way down here. So good job, Sniper Trades. I told you I was gonna follow it, but I was in a trade and I just got distracted, man. But good job, you killed it. Do you have another entry here with smaller share size, or you're done because you made good money on that first one? It's like this. I was over a con. A con shot an alert. A con is rallying back up. Broke this pivot here of 114 and high is 125. Yeah, Morte, I understand. It sucks. You re-entered on the dip at 1065. Yeah, I did not think $11 would hold on this one now. That was a pretty good move. And then GLSY did not hold the VWAP. It's underneath VWAP. GOEV just kind of faded, man. Today could have been a good day. And then KSPN is still halted. It halted at 8:57, and it's been 3 minutes right now. What the frick is this stock? Why? GMZ. Look at this stock. I don't know where this halt came from. But KSPN, I was actually still with 500 shares in this candle here, which I thought it halted. It literally showed everything green on time and sales. And actually, you know what I need to do? I need to do this. So I can see it. What do you think is a max position for scalping? You can scalp with as much as you want. As long as your broker is reliable and you can get in and out of trades, you can scalp with as much as you want. I'm scalping with, right now, 2,000, 4,000 shares. I haven't hit the 5 or 10 in the last couple days. Maybe I did yesterday, 5,000, but not 10,000 shares. But I mean, I know people that are scalping with 20, 30,000 shares, so. 2 minutes left on KSPN. How's everybody doing today? How's everybody trading? Ape Trades, how are you doing today? Were you able to catch some moves? Or at least be able to spot them? You're up 50. Okay, that's good though. Was it a good trade though? How is everybody doing? Come on. Jesse, are you in short on Tesla again? I thought about shorting it for the pre-market lows, but I didn't. But it is taking it out at 687 now. But that 716 retest, man, I had that short and I didn't jump in it either. Fingers crossed is up 110 on 2 Apple contracts. Good job. Blair's up 100. Good job. Brio is up 145 on Roku short. Good job. I like how you guys trade your own stuff, but you still come in here and just watch me trade. Like, you guys are trading Apple, Roku, Tesla, all these things, and you still come in here and oh, KSPN is live. Did not break $8. I wanted to get in for the break at $8. That is too risky now. Hey, Andres, I think it was you that said you were up, not up, but that you took a trade on, wow, look at this KSPN. On GOEV, right? Did you sell at a loss, or is this one stock you're averaging down on? Okay, so you were in on that. I see why you were in there though. You were accumulating in this section, right? Waiting for that curl back up. Am I correct or am I not correct? Morte, you were in on that? Dang, this stock, man, I could have made a killing on it. Kevin up 2,800. Good job, Kevin. Joey Shares bought the dip in at 433. Oh, okay, yeah, you too. Zach was also on KSPN. Didn't play the best. I didn't either. I mean, I played it okay with 1,500 shares though, but it's like somehow all the trades that I know are gonna work, I take them small share size, and then all the trades that don't work, I take them bigger share size. I mean, I added on the stock very low. $6.49 was my first ad, and it's at 8. $69. That's $2 a share. I guess I still could have been more patient. What? Why did I sell on this one? So okay, I took some profit at $7. Okay, then we kind of stumbled at $7, and that's looks like that's where I took all of my position out, because then I re-entered 500, and then almost sold them right away. I see, I see. Yeah, Zach, I think that's how I'm feeling a little bit, but it's okay. I'm okay with this. The only thing I'm upset about is it just felt like I worked and traded this one good, and like was watching it and all this stuff, and then I go back to a con, and I'm like, I lost $150 here, like in a snap of the fingers. Like I just vanished $141 here that I worked so hard to make on this stock. I don't know. And then ORPM, I had a good micro 1 minute pullback on this candle here that I was calling out, but I was too busy on the other one and didn't like to jump in on that one while I wasn't watching it. So it looks like here's my consistency, right? Oh, I guess I have $72 here. Forgot about 72 bucks there. So I guess Blair, KSPN is a little bit. I mean, it's not a little bit. It's overextended. It's from $5 to $8. Agaska, did you short GOEV or no? Dang, Jesse, that sucks. Jesse shorted D Dog at 106, went up to 107. He stopped out and is now at 96. What is the best broker to short? I can't find any shares on E-Trade. Rafa, seems like consensus is going to be Trade Zero, or for a smaller account, because you can put in Histo Big Bounce. Yep, I see it, but I think Histo needs to get over this downtrend line. GOEV also kind of turned around at $4, but KSPN actually still wants more. This is ridiculous. This is the point where I'm looking at a stock and I'm myself say this is too overextended. I'm not gonna trade it. Like KSPN. Sniper trades, you made 825. Yeah, it feels like I could have made more as well. KSPN, I took a trade here, 1,500 shares at 649, and I keep telling myself I need to hold these shares longer. I need to hold my trades longer, and I sold at $7 for 50 cents when it went up. When it went up $2. But I'm working on it. I'm working on it, guys. We're all working on it. We're all working on stuff together. We're all here to help each other. Kevin, I'm not calling you out. I'm not a. Oh, but as I was saying, here is where my freaking consistency goes, right? I lose bigger and then I make it back in 2, 3, 4 days, and then I lose another bigger one and then make it back 3, 4, 5 days. Blair, you're in the same boat as me, and I'm not sitting here waiting around to make everything up from yesterday, right? You saw me lose on stream. I lost 2,000 yesterday, but I think I made back. I don't know exactly what I was down. I think 21. I don't know what it was exactly after stream, and then I took that trade on PLRX for $700 profit. So I actually finished the day yesterday for $1,500 loss. And today I'm probably up 500, I would say, because I lost 141 but made 70, so 530 minus 70, that's probably like 460 ish. So I think I'm up about 450 today. And Blair, I'm not trying to recover the other 1,000 that I would still be down from yesterday, right? So 1,500 minus 500 to 1,000. If I see a setup, I will trade it. If I don't see another setup, I will keep this green and then come back tomorrow. This is ridiculous. KSPN is ridiculous. But I don't know. I don't know that this move will hold. Ape Trade's doing the same thing. So now, what stock are we looking at? Andres, do you look for any of these stocks to strongly consolidate at a certain level or no? Oh, I don't know. I would not take another dip of 8. I wouldn't. So overextended and first fake breakout. I think this cracks down through $8. Ooh, can I short this stock? Bro, what is the advantage of joining a hard to borrow program on Thinkorswim if I can't short anything? Yeah, I think this stock is so overextended that I don't think this is gonna find another bounce. For now, I don't think so. Look at the 1008. Oh, I did see that bounce, yeah. But I also see, this is just sharing ideas. It doesn't mean that I'm against you, Sniper Trade. It doesn't mean I'm against anybody. I saw that bounce happen, but after that, I saw this big rejection happen. And we're up $3 a share. ORMP once $11 again. See, this one would have been a good. Yeah, that's what I've been trying to look at, Sniper Trades. I've been trying to look at, so I want to get to the point where I'm combining kind of your way of taking the trades with a little bit of dip buy entries. Yeah, we're all here to learn. You're right. So like the GOEV play that I did, like here, instead of I averaged in there, averaged in there, averaged in there, and then waited for that move. I think I think this would have played out the way you do it, where you buy here, take 15 cents stop loss, and then 20, 30, 40 as profit, right? So why not take that trade here? Give yourself still 10, 15, 20 cents, but now you have an extra 20 cents to 5, and then the 30, 40 cents over 5. That's what I was thinking. That's why I held 3,000 shares going into the break of 5. KSPN, did it hold $8? Ooh, kind of flushed through $8, but it's recovering it. Okay, everyone, I'm out to work. Have a great day. 921 paper profit. Dang, Morte, give me some of that money. Make it real. Make it real. BHAT reminds me of how TBLT looked yesterday after open. BHAT? Yeah, you're right. Or Indo. Indo straight up fell too. Yeah, so KSPN Blair, it just looked too overextended. And especially when you can make a very obvious resistance, right? Like $8. Shorts know that if $8 cracks, it's gonna at least go down to this level here of the previous candle, which is 763. I think that was a halt too. Yeah, so 763, and I mean, look at that. 763. right there, right? If not VWAP for sure. So even down to that 755, I think. I know, I know. That's why I want to figure something. Andres, which other trades did you take? Because you're the one that buys a little bit of a dips consolidation periods more. So I saw the GOEV, and to me, that still looks good consolidation. If I look, I guess maybe the only thing is the 5 minute, that top candle was pretty aggressive, right? Like, this is a 5 minute on GOEV. You pulled up all the way to 5, and instead of pulling back semi-aggressively or just a healthy pullback, this 5 minute candle right there had stronger volume, right? Am I looking at that correct? So that could have been a red flag to not get in there, but I mean, it looks like 461 could have been a good. All right, Andres, cool. I like that. I like that. Fingers crossed. does uh does Apple look like it's an uptrend, downtrend, consolidation? Do you think it's gonna go up? It's gonna go down? Do you think it's gonna go negative? Do you think it's gonna go positive? That was funny. All right, let's look at Apple, guys. Any stock you want me to look at, I'll take a look at it. Right off the bat, downtrend for 1, 2, 3, 4 months has been broken, and you had a nice little rip through it. So for now, I would think pull back and now make an uptrend like this. So I would wait for this stock to pull back into this area, and I would average in on that play there. Does that make sense? So here it is on the 4 hour chart. KSPN curling back up. KSPN has to get over 8. So here's that downtrend right there, and you can see the uptrend here already. Broke out of it, had a nice little curl back up. Even this, you could do it right there. They don't translate from daily to 4 hour very clean. So maybe let it pull back. Is this a green candle right now forming? Yeah, fake breakout too on this one. So I think Tesla will go back down to the 140s. And then maybe consolidate a little bit, like you're saying, enough to push it out this way and down to that trend line. Unless today it actually recovers and keeps pushing and takes out that previous high, then maybe room to these 150s. Look at BA. I have a long-term shares at 121, planning on holding for decades on my core position, but have been trading the ranges too on my swing plays. Usually buy around 130 and sell around 140. You have a cost of 121, you said. Nice. B had new high a day. Oh, I thought it was about to hit a new high a day. I was like, what? TH? Yeah, TH was one that yesterday didn't do anything, and then it just slowly grind all day. From $8 all the way up to now where it's $10 and it hit 11.15 this morning. The past 2 weeks have been rough for me as well trading SPY. I used to wait for a trend to form the first 30 and go with it, but now seems like the best time to trade is like the first 30. Nothing but chop after that. Yeah. I don't know how to look at the options to see the interest on them. Well, I think I do, but I'm not good at reading them because I don't usually do it. But let me look at it for you. Oh, I do see the range you're talking about though. 141 is a high, and it is breaking out today. What is this? Oh, this is Boeing? BA? Do you only go long on your positions once? Yeah, I mostly do. Yeah. Especially with the low cap penny stocks, I only go long because I cannot short. I do see what you're saying. Sniper trades. I could see a 147 or 157. KSPN died out to volume. It's breaking $8 again, but you are right. And then volume is your best friend when you're trading. So the fact that this is breaking $8, but the volume is down there, doesn't look as good. You need this volume here. Now here is where you could take a dip of 8. Maybe. Here's where you can take a small scalp for $8. Never mind, don't take the scalp for $8. Yeah, don't take the scalp for $8. That's what happens when the stock is so overextended. Ow. So does that mean if short's covering that drives up that push? GOEV not done today. Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully it doesn't tank. No, I mean it looks decent. It looks like it was breaking out. GOEV, I do think GOEV could have done a move today, but it's like the stock that everybody's watching in the mornings is the stock that it's not going to rally. Use short, get a better short broker and short more. I do want to. I do want to, but I literally a lot of bag holders at every level. On the long side, Juan trades. Yeah, I think that's what happened on PLRX yesterday. Gray move up and then engulfing candle down later in the day. I mean, if GOEV recovers VWAP and goes back to a bullish stock, then yeah. But for now, no. I am getting an alert for SCO. What is SCO? Slow moving one. AAL. What is this stock? AAL. What is this? What's this? I like it, Picasso. Agaska, did you short anything today? I thought I asked if you shorted GOV, but I don't know if you answered it or not. Oh yeah, I know it's a American. So I was just saying, what's this? I like it, Picasso. KSPN trying to hold $8 again. Juancho, Agaska, what'd you short today, man? Tell me your shorts. GOEV breaking 431. GOEV, if it gets to $5, it will 1000% break $5. Like I'm so confident in this trade that I would tell you guys to put your whole entire account into the trade. And an easy way to do that is when you go right here, click auto send off, click buy, and then when this pops up, click edit, and then at the bottom left, oh, you can't see it. Can you see it? No, you can't see it. Alright, I have to show you this. I'm gonna disappear for a quick second. Right here at the bottom right, you click this, you click 100%, and then you go and then you click buy, and what it does is it buys 100% of your account. That's what you gotta do. Alright, got it? You guys got the plan? Once it gets to $4.99, that's when we all go all in. 100% of our account. We all pump the stock up. Alright, Amir's ready. Awesome. Bet. I'm short KSPN from 837. Clutch trades. 837. So let's see. Look at this super steep uptrend on KSPN. ORMP back. ORMP is trying to get over VWAP. ORMP has a $10 support and trying to break downtrend. Marcel, you still in here? How are you doing, man? I haven't heard of your trades recently. You been killing it lately? People on YouTube besides Kevin, I know Kevin is up 2,800 bucks. Jesse was up 300 on Tesla short. Did you close that short out, Jesse? But everybody else on YouTube, I have 52 people over here, and the chat on YouTube is pretty calm. You guys come and ask questions, anything. Mention stocks, any stock you want me to look at, any question. How are you guys doing today, trading wise? Are you up? Are you down? Should you cover your KSPN short? I don't know, man. To me, I thought this stock is just gonna fade after 8:30, after that $8 crack right here, but it's holding up pretty well. Yeah, and that's what happens, Blair, when you have no volume. So look at ORMP, and this is low volume down here. I mean, these candles have, look at the candle up top on your Thinkorswim, it tells you 22,000 volume, 66,000 volume, 38,000, 43, 59. That is low volume. Look at these candles up here. 90, 150, 337,000, 279,000, 353,000. So these candles down here have a third, a fifth volume of what they have when stock is ripping, right? So look at the volume here, increasing during the uptrend and then consolidating, and volume is staying sideways. So in this thing, you want the stock to start ripping again and then volume increasing again. That's what you want ideally. Alright, Jesse. Jesse's still holding. Closed one pub, but still holding another one. So going into KSPN, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles holding right around $8. But these are all green candles and they all look weak. Behat keeps grinding. Behat, if it hits 350 and holds 350, I think that one can get interesting. And then KSPN. This should be your deciding factor right here. Whoever clutch trades, if you're in short, if this candle starts ripping, then get out. But if this candle pops up to that level and turns back around, that just it will be a heavy stock. KSPN, wow. Case being as strong today. $8.50 is your next level. If I was a long trader, that looks terrible to me. There it is. That close on that candle and this candle opening, it looked weak. That goes to ORMP though. ORMP broke that downtrend that I had, but obviously I didn't take it. Look at that. Downtrend. Break right here. Oh my god, ORMP started ripping. This is a nice opening on ORMP. This stock just ripped those levels. What is this pivot here? 1057. This is a volume that you like seeing. That ripping volume that you see just goes. That's what you like seeing. So now look at this candle. It already has 200,000 volume. Oh, frick. So candle, 20 seconds left. Go back up over 1050. And see if ORMP wants to curl back up. That candle ripped really nicely, and then after that it didn't do anything. Yeah, I'm not liking this anymore. That candle should have recovered and kept ripping. Well, maybe it still will. I think I'm gonna... It has to get over this 1057. There we go, just like that. But see, it pops up, and then sellers immediately push that candle back down. Not what you want to see. You want that candle to rip, 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 rip like the way this one did. There we go. Now this could be another ad. Small little micro pullback, 857. Hold 857. We want to see 857 hold. Right there. That candle right there needs to hold. Right there. Look at time and sales. It's frozen. There's no buyer stepping in there. The entry on this one could have been the breakout downtrend right there. Stock needs to break this 1055-ish level and then keep going higher. Hold this 1055 level here and then rip one of these candles. If this one holds it, if this stock holds this level, this one candle will rip up 1088 almost in one move probably. Nope. I'm gonna 1043. It's like the days that I know that later in the day the stocks get less clean. Now, to be honest, I don't think the stock is gonna rip anymore. So I'm just trying to see if it pulls up and get out break even. Or maybe look. Oh, no. Okay, now I think it'll rip. That is what you want to see. That candle rip. There we go. Did you see that? Didn't I say if this candle rips, one candle will rip up right to 1080? It ripped up to 1080. Perfect. $11 is the next target. There we go. That's how you know they start ripping, when one candle just boom takes it out. $11 is going to hold out as resistance though. And then 11.17 is the new high of day. Here it goes. Incoming! $11 holds, you'll get a new high. I almost want to re-add on this play. This looks very strong. As long as this candle holds at $11, this will look good. Just like that. Brand new high of day. There we go. Oh, thank the Lord God Almighty. Please, thank God. Oh, thank God for some good movements, man. This is where I shine. Oh, thank the Lord God Almighty. Oh, thank the Lord God Almighty. I love day trading. I love my job. I love doing this. I'm never quitting. This is what I do for a living, and this is what I love to do. Bro, I needed some confidence in my freaking life right now. $11.5, $11.5, $11.5, $11.5, $11.5. Let me sell $11.5. $11.5 going once, $11.5 going twice, $11.5 going 3 times. Sold to the man right there at $11.29, $11.29. That guy's holding $11.29, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Little Michael pull back here. Crawl back up to $11.5, $11.5, going once, going twice, going 3 times. $11.5, $11.5. $11.5, there we go, $11.49. I'll sell $11.49, going once, going twice. $11.50, $11.50, can I get $11.50? $11.50 going once, $11 going twice, $11.50 going 3 times. $11.50 going, oh, there we go, $11.50, $11.55. We got $11.55. Oh, somebody's outbidding it. $11.50, $11.50, somebody, $11.50, $11.50. $11.55, $11.55. Am I annoying to you guys? Am I annoying to you guys? Not true answers only. Not true answers only. Not true answers only. You can only answer fake answers. Blair. Blair. Look at the volume, Blair. $621 on this stock. Finally something good, man. Finally something good. Oh, I just sold right before that spike right there. Sniper trades. Good job, man. You jumped in on that one with me, I think. Good job. You killed it. Good job, man. Is that Blair Lane? What do you mean? Oh my gosh, that was awesome. It might even hit 12 bucks. No, I sold the majority at 11.50. Gosh dang, $12. Zach is chasing this one. $12 break here. Can it get $12? You know how many people are going to be stacked at 12? But that's a good thing. If you break 12, instant 10 cents. Look at that. Instant 10 cents. Alright guys, today, the way today behaved, seemed like a good day. KSPN halting, going higher. JLSI halting, going higher. ORPN rallying, pulling back, clean downtrend, moved $2 a share after that. Like, this is what markets should look like every single day. I'm not kidding you guys. This is how a market looks every single day last year. At sometimes you even had 3 or 4 stocks halting at the same time, and they all resumed higher and pushed higher. Can we flag, please? Ape traits. I think the flag is this on the 1 minute, and then on the 5 minute, it was a longer flag than what you and I were seeing. So this is a flag, right? Pull. Okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it, got it. Yeah, this is a move that now you don't chase this. You let it pull back here and then do this, and then you wait for that next move. But this is crazy. I was going for 11.50 and it pulled up to 12.18. What in the world, man? Jofi Young, 17%. Dang. Zach re-added 11.50. Are you taking profit at $12, Zach? Yeah, Sniper Trades, I'm right there with you, man. I'm right there with you. I added on display down here. And at one point, the second you see this kind of rip, and the second you see this kind of rip and hold $11, at that point, I just knew this stock was strong, that it would break that 11.17. 11.17 was going to break, so that's where I actually re-entered aggressive. Aggressive for now. I'm not going to risk the 5,000 shares. But see, I bought 500 shares there, and then I tripled my position on that entry right there at 10.96. So I got that perfect dip. The bottom of that candle was 94, and it looks like I got it at 96. Looks like I took him out too early, though. That's the one that I should have held. 1,500 shares from 10.96 to 11.96, which I did not expect that. Would have been a $1,500 winner. But good. I'm glad that today at least it was some action back and some clean trading for me to get my confidence back because I needed this. Sniper Trace is up 1,600 for the day, and I will finish my day, brothers. Good job. Take it to the bank. Take it to the bank and go get some wine and steak. Zach, how did you do on that play? You got in at 11.50. Kevin, up here. ORMP. This is the stock I was looking at. I think I might be up 1,000. That's what I think I am. Which is great because that means I basically recovered. What am I clicking on? I would say I'm right under $1,000. I think. Sniper Trace, good job, man. Good job. Slowly, slowly. Today I tried, but slowly, slowly, I'm gonna change my mindset and be playing it like that. But good job, man. Good job. Yeah, Blair. If you're up 100 and you're kind of frustrated, just call it a day. Yeah, up over 1,000 today. So I mean, decent day finally. Steak and wine later. It's okay, Blair. It's okay. You'll get him next time. If you're so scared, Blair, I think what you're doing, Blair, is you're playing it too big size that you cannot control it and you can't control your emotions. That's what I'm saying. Jump in, do this. Do this. Switch it to 10 shares. Switch it to 10 shares and then here dip buy it. Dip buy it. Breakout here holds 11, buy it. The way I played it, right? But 1,500 shares is not a big size for me. If it tanked down and lost 300, 400, I'd still be break even on the day because I have a cushion of $400 $500 on the other stock. So trade smaller. I think you're not chasing these because you're using too bigger size and you're gonna risk 100, 200, 300, $400 on one trade here that is gonna wipe your $100 today, right? So Blair, drop it down and trade. Do a month. Trade a month. Look at Ape Trades. Oh dang, what's their thing? It doesn't. An indie guy promoting crypto. Bro, it's so annoying. I can't do anything. TikTok for it being so like big and stuff. Like they're straight up not helpful at all. I've put several complaints. GeoEV, nice little push down there from $4. GeoEV. Blair, so trade small size for a month. Look what Ape Chase is doing. Ape Chase was playing 500, 800, $1,000 days until he was like, you know what, this isn't working. I need to step back. And he's been for about 2 months almost. I would say a month and a half of him playing super small share size. And he's getting consistent. Why? Because he doesn't have the emotions of, oh, I need to make $1,000 today. I need to make whatever this today. Like he's just trading the stock and trading the actual the stock, not the actual profit. He's not trading the money. He's trading the stock. Does that make sense? Sniper trades. I think you already head off for the day, but good job, man. GOEV did have a nice move from that 410 all the way to 447 up here. And then KSPN is still above $8. So KSPN, if you're holding short, the fact that you didn't take a new low down here, that is kind of a little bit of a red flag. So, I mean, especially after 3 aggressive sell candles right there, you would have expected this stock to push lower. Agaska shorting ORMP now. Oh my god, Agaska. Blair, you have a good one, Blair. Um, Agaska, only thing is, I was just gonna say that Ape Trades. Good eye. The only thing is, that's a second flag right there. It could crack below and give you that nice sell. It's gonna pull back for, I mean, 1150 is first target. But if it doesn't, this might run back up to new high a day. How does it say? It says I have no internet. Jesse, you don't play spreads, do you? Bradley Rogers, hey Juan, how are you doing today? I'm doing good. Finally got some momentum in here, so I was able to capitalize on 2 of those moves. Um, First move was GOEV, this opening trade. This one, dang, today could have been a good day. I forgot. On this one, I was up $600. So I traded this flag right here. I averaged down, I averaged down, I averaged down, and waited for that pop. It popped, and right at $5, I was up already 600 bucks. I was already up. There goes the ORMP flag. ORMP breaking out of this flag. It wants 12.18 again, but $12 will have to be first. So that's the bad thing about this. And there's like barely any room to hold 12 over 12 to 12.18, so this could be a little risky. So Bradley, so I traded GOEV and I was up $600 at that peak, but I took some profit out and I wanted a break of KSPN also still up there. KSPN, if it breaks 850 and holds 850, you might see that move to new high of day and $9 on KSPN. So I was up $600 on this one. I ended up holding 3,500 shares through the break of 5, which we never got. So I ended up stopping down there. Next thing was not that one. Akan, I took a loss on Akan. This is my only red day today. I gotta stop doing this. KSPN right there. 850 on KSPN right now. KSPN wants a new high of day, maybe. Big squeeze here on KSPN, right over 850. Yep, that was like POAI. POAI. KSPN, if it wanted a high, it would have already done it there. I might still do it, but that could have been the clean trade would have been boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I see this. KSPN, I made $483 on this one, which I'm kind of glad today, guys, because looking back at it, even though I made $1,000, I actually traded very, very small share size. I only took a $2,000 share position on this stock, and I made $500 here. KSPN wants a new high. I made $500 in this move with only 2,000 shares, and then I went back and traded ORMP, only $2,000 as well, and I also made $600. So this is actually good eye-opening for me, because maybe I was trying to average in a lot into these strong breakouts and taking 5,000, 10,000 shares when maybe I just need to, kind of why I'm telling Blair, drop it down a little bit to a position that I'm comfortable and try to snipe in some lower entries. Oh my god, KSPN. Didn't I say 850 goes to 9? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Anybody took this one? Right here was the entry. Break of downtrend. MRSA. Is MRSA not in here today? Somebody said break of downtrend. Was that Zach? Zach did it. Yes, Zach. Did you catch this? Oh, Jofi Young too, I guess. John is in at 880. Break of the high of day. Okay. I wonder if this goes down to 9. Whoa. Yeah, I see it. Wait. Is that not the same flag that we saw? Which is the other? ORMP. It's the same thing, dude. There you go, Agaska. There you go. Yeah, you're so right. Ape trades. Jesus, man. I was looking for a $9 support here. $9 support here, and I would have taken a trade there. But it only pulled down to 906 by 6 pennies. I didn't take that trade. Who else? Who is in here? The truth or not is in at 848. Oh my gosh, this is the momentum we needed in the market. Good job, guys. Good job. Yeah, so Ape Trades is calling out a perfect flag on the 5 minutes. So, right here, let me get rid of all these things so you guys can see it better. So this is KSPN. We were saying up here is so overextended, right? It was overextended. Look where the 9 EMA and VWAP. So VWAP is purple, 9 EMA is blue. It was so overextended. Pulled back down. It actually held this low of 764. Kind of pulled up, pulled down, created a flag right there, and then that 9 EMA came up and touched it perfectly, and then off to the races. Oh, I shouldn't have made this bigger. Frick. Good job, Ape Trades. Hey, we didn't catch it this time, but we're spotting them. Dang, Jofi, you were in really early. 825 right there. Yeah, this was the downtrend break right here. This could have been your ad where I have that circled. It does suck that I was kind of anticipating one thing like this on GOV, and that's the one that didn't play out. I had 3,500 shares on that one. That was probably the biggest share size I took today, and didn't play out. And then the ones that did play out, I took a smaller share size. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm happy with today's trading. I'm happy with today's trading. B had is flagging over VWAP. B hat is flagging over VWAP as well. Agaska still in on that ORMP short, and it's working for him. So good job, Agaska. Bradley, nice man, fair play. Today I was impatient and forced two trades on Indo. Shouldn't have traded at all. Can't blame anyone else but myself. That's okay, man. That's okay. At least you're catching it yourself, and you know what you did wrong. So good, good on correcting yourself. That's a big step to becoming successful. So. And Indo kind of was the worst stock today. So this one, I mean, you could have seen. Maybe you're trying to catch dips, but there's nothing clear here. Like KSPN, I mean, this is a clear flag right there. This could have been the average down there. And I even said whoever was short on here that the fact that this stock didn't make it a lower low here at 7.7 was already a sign. Blair, look at this. Volume going up, consolidation goes down, starts ripping, volume goes back up, right? That's what you want. And then same thing happened on ORMP. Volume, consolidation, volume. Dang, I think Andres, you got off, right? Andres is in here. Andres, you left. Andres left us. Andres dipped. Oh yeah, I was asking Jesse, does anybody open spreads? Because I opened that spread and somehow both of my options are negative. Oh, Andres is over on YouTube. What the heck, Andres? Did you trade this flag on KSPN just now, or did you completely get off? Okay, watching from your phone. Hey, thanks for coming in though and still watching, supporting Andres. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, look how clean this flag was. I didn't trade it at all. I didn't see it. Yeah, both my spreads are negative. I think it's just because of the I mean, the spread is still gonna work because if I hold it on to the end, but they're both negative right now. Like I bought a put and I sold a put, and they're both negative. It might be implied volatility or something that it just completely increased the value of them. Yeah, Andres, look how clean this was, man. On the 5 minute, it looks like the perfect flag. Pulls up, consolidates, goes down to the 9 EMA to that VWAP, and then it ripped after that. But good job on calling it though. Textbook breakout. Yeah, that one was clean. Yeah. Somebody took a quick and Sewer took a quick trade on KSPN. How'd you do, man? Did you make some money on that one? Yeah, Andres, it was a pretty clean breakout, but don't stress over it that you missed it. You'll be back tomorrow. Good job on calling it down on a red day, so it's okay. I had a big red day yesterday and making it up today. I think you had a killer day yesterday and you're making it and you're losing it a little bit today, so don't worry about it, Andres. You got it. AREC. You're still watching AREC. AREC. Why is it not showing? Oh, there it is. Oh, okay. You're talking about the previous times. Yeah, yeah. I get what you're saying. So you're smart by calling it a day and not losing yesterday's gains. Honestly, oh, B had Zach. B had got over that flag that you're calling. Amir, Low-key disappointed on my trades today, but still made 3%. But it's okay. Lessons learned. There we go. If you learn a lesson and you made money, what's better than that? Sorry, yeah, on a spread, you just have to cover more ground before it'll be green, basically. What do you mean by cover more ground, though? I mean, I thought they still move similar, right? Agaska shorted his Isto. What did you short his Isto at, Agaska? Spies in that supply zone from yesterday. Buying calls here. ORMP. ORMP. Agaska, watch your short here. There's no way ORMP literally goes bananas like KSPN again. This is break of downtrend though. It did break a downtrend. I do also see a small flag on 5 minutes on ORMP ape trades. Right here, look at this. Pull, flag, rip. Now does volume come in here though? That's the last thing to the puzzle. That's the missing piece to the puzzle. No, my puts were right in the money. I bought yesterday. Well, Tesla was at 710 ish, and I bought a 705 and a 700. Yeah, 705 and 700. Your HSTO short was entry of 470, 473. Dang, wait, you shorted at pre-market? I guess you shorted pre-market. ORMP, it looks good. It broke out of that flag, but it is not picking up volume like it wants, like it should. So once it broke this downtrend, look at the difference between this volume here to this volume here. Look at the size of those boxes. Hey, I didn't know I could do that. If I line them up right there and just drag up, then you can actually physically see the difference. That's the tall volume here. That's the low volume there. So, Agaska, your short on ORMP might also play out. Where did you get that scanner? What scanner? Trade Ideas, the one right above my face. It's Trade Ideas. I pay for it. So, I just give it to you guys for free and you guys can see it. It's a momentum scanner. So everything on there that's highlighted darker black means that it has been showing up and taking new highs constantly. So you can see KSPN is on there. Why is it on there? Because, I mean, the stock has been rallying all day long. Dang, I got shorted it from pre-market all the way down. Oh, I want to see SPY. I want to see what you're telling me. I want to check out some SPY. Oh, SPY looks like a short of me. SPY looks like a short to me. Right here. You broke out of that and look at this. You tucked right back under the 90 MA. I am short on SPY. I am short SPY. And just because of that, I am so tempted to buy some puts on TQQQ. What the heck is this? Yeah, that's what I think. That's what I think. Just the Greeks or something messed up, but it's still the spread. So if I hold it to expiration and it closes below my break even, I shouldn't have a problem with that. Crypto Agaska, Crypto Wire on YouTube said, Agaska got my money down 500 on HSTO and I'm done trading below PDT. You guys might not see me for a bit, but good luck everybody. No, Crypto Wire, don't leave us. Don't leave us, Crypto, please. Trade paper money for a while. Trade paper money or just watch and learn. Just watch and learn. Stay up to date with the market. I'm kidding, Crypto. If you need to go and you gotta do your job or be with your wife, we understand. So TQQQ, should we get some puts in? Let's look at the smaller time frames. Oh my God, KSPN again. What? Oh yeah, I get what you're saying. Crypto. So KSPN made another move off of $9. Did anybody catch this second move on KSPN? Or I guess third move. Third move. Well, it's already at 10, 998. 999. $10 has or the order for $10. 999. That is crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. Agaska calling the short on ORMP back down to $11. Dang. How many shares did you take, Agaska? How many shares do you have on ORMP? 500 shares. Good job, Agaska. 999 right here again. By the way, guys, if you weren't familiar with what happened to Active Trader, there's a link right there, and it's a GoFundMe, so you guys can read it and go donate. I think it was his son. I think it was his son, because this is a post from the actual person. But they lost their house and their animals to a fire. So if you guys can donate, you don't have to donate a lot or anything, but anything will help him. So appreciate you guys. His son's house, yeah, yeah. Okay, so activist part owner. So yeah, so his son's house burnt down. I think it was electrical fire, and they lost their animals as well. So I know they're going through some hard times. So any donation will help them out. There we go. Fingers crossed. That's exactly what I had realized today. Oh, look at that big old dump after $10. That is why you don't chase these overextended moves. That is why today I think I traded very. Let me see my trader view. Oh, I guess I traded average-ish. Yeah, so I mean, if I kind of compare them, like Friday, July 8th, I traded 26,000 shares. But look at here. This TH, I took 6,000 shares and only made $100. I took 10,000 shares on this one, only made 42. And I took 9,000 shares and only made 185. So I only made $400. This other day, I took 25,000 shares on this one and made 700. Took 4,000 and lost money, and took 1,000 and made 70. This day, 38,000, took 18,000 shares and lost $38. 5,000, 9,000, 6,000, and all 133, 300. But if I look at today, only 4,000 shares, $600 winner, $500 winner, and then I guess 15,000 on GOEV, which that's the one that I was ready for that break, and it's only 72. So I mean, I traded okay. Yeah, KSPN is halted down. Dang, KSPN. I hope nobody's in here. Andres is asking if anybody got caught in this hold. Please tell me nobody got caught, unless you're short, which is hard to borrow. So maybe you could have. This looks nasty. That's a 1016 to 868. John, you're in that halt. Look at SPY. Oh, SPY reversed itself. Hey, you got some calls down here, right? And Sewer, you had calls down here, right? Good job. Agaska, Andres said Dark Lord Agaska should be shorting. Good job, Ansur, on your calls on SPY. Good job. And Agaska, for real, you missed a short on freaking, or Agaska, did you take a short on KSPN? I, I hope that is. Leo locked in $1,000 profit on KSPN. Good job, good job. There we go. Oh, he said Agaska said he didn't locate any shares because they were very expensive. Leo, how did you make $1.5 thousand today shorting KSPN? How? Unless you shorted this. Where did you find the shorts? Maybe this move. After this, that crack of $8 here could have been that short that I was mentioning it. Shorting at 10. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I was like, there's no way you made 1.5 on the shorts down here. There's no way. At 9.5 earlier. Okay, 9.5 down here. Okay, okay. Good job, man. Good job. Hello, the new person on YouTube, which I cannot read your name as well. Good job, Leo. Good job. Awesome trade, man. Our active trader. Yeah, this when you see a flush like that after a stock is up $5 a share, when you see that flush like that, a lot of times you can just play it aggressive, just chase that thing because it's gonna go halted. You know how many people are, you know how many people actually traded this successfully and bought here, bought here, bought here, bought here, bought here, and they're like, holy crap, it just dropped $1. I need to take my profit. They sell, 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 and shorts do the same thing. This is up $5 a share. These people are gonna panic. I need to sell, so they'll start selling into that momentum there. Yeah, I would think so too. Going from being up $5 a share, and then 10, the first double-digit whole number up there, psychological resistance. That was a good entry there. Good job, Leo. I'm only up 1,036 today, but coming off of yesterday's loss, that's pretty good. Yesterday was just a disaster. So the fact that I had this day today definitely helped me out a little bit. Definitely helps out a little bit. So still not looking the best, but July we're in 1 week in a day, 2 days into July, and I'm only up 1,500. So in about a week and a half, up 1,500. So, and then also, guys, I think I already said it before, but I'll say it again just to give you guys a heads up. I will not be streaming on Friday. I have to leave town Thursday, and I will not be back until Sunday, so I cannot stream Friday. I have a funeral to go to, so it's not like I'm spending some time by myself or I need to go do something fun. This time I got a funeral to go to. ORPM. KSPN just came out with offering. Yeah, that's what I addressed it on YouTube. ORPM also breaking that downtrend again. That downtrend flag. Look at this. Well, I guess you can draw with the wick, so you're still under it. Never mind, never mind. Dang, how long is KSPN gonna be halted? I feel like it's been 5 minutes. 10:10 and it's 10:17. It's been 7 minutes. And time until is black. ORMP. ORMP testing downtrend. I guess Mercer didn't trade today. Jesse, my spreads don't make sense. One is down $800 and the other one's down 35. How are they both negative? ORPM looking strong again. There's that volume picking up. The candle has 200,000. This one's already. This one had 77, but this one had 200,000 there. That could be a dip buy. Retest of downtrend. If this holds right there, you might be looking at a nice scroll back up to new high day. I'm done trading. I'm not gonna trade anymore, guys. I'm not gonna risk my $1,000. Joey, how have you been, Joey? I feel like I haven't seen. How are your trades going, man? You're learning a lot. Yeah, I think it's gonna be 10-minute halt on KSPN. It might already be 2 more minutes. I'll probably wait and see what happens on the resumption of KSPN, and then I might head off, guys. I really don't know how both my spreads are negative on freaking Tesla. Down 20 and up 80 on KSPN. Okay, good job. You're good on the day. Fuck, I wish I could tell you the pops are wrecking the Greeks, it sounds like. No, I'm serious. Look, like, one is down 8.75 and the other one is down $7. I bought them together as a vertical spread. What? But my break even on Tesla to make $300, I think I make $300 and I lose 270. It's like 703, I think. So if anything, it should be green. Tesla's at 696. This spread should be green. We appreciate you, Han. Nice trade for you today. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I hope you guys are learning a lot. I hope you guys are learning a lot. I really am enjoying these streams. I was talking with my wife yesterday because I was pretty upset. I wasn't upset about the $1,500 loss yesterday. I was genuinely upset about the trading. I mean, yesterday was a good day. Today also a good day. So hopefully the rest of the week is like this. Maybe things start to pick up. I wasn't upset about the loss. I was just upset about the trading. And I kept telling her yesterday, I was like, yeah, a part of it is like trying to make the money and trying to make. Oh my Lord God Almighty. Bro, Leo, please tell me you had some shares. Bro. John, I am so sorry if you had 60 shares still in there. How much is that? Oh, I guess you didn't lose much with 60 shares, right? $60. 60 shares, like. Wait, clutch trades, were you short on that? Was anybody short on that still holding? Agaska, do you regret not locating? They got you at 774. Okay. I mean, at least it didn't get you down at $7. It still saved 70 cents. But damn, that does suck, John. I'm sorry. Clutch trades, are you short on this trade? Are you short on this trade? What's up, Beastie? Welcome in on YouTube chat. How are you doing today? Did you trade anything today? Clutch trades, please tell me you have like 10,000 shares short. Oh my gosh, Clutch is short with an average of 959. Clutch came in clutch, man. Bro, that has got to be the biggest gain. $2 a share, over $2.50 a share. Agaska, I do regret it now. Dark Lord Agaska missed it, man. Hey, I don't care how many shares you took. I don't care if it wasn't 10,000, dude. No, I'm pretty sure I tried on this one earlier. Darth Trader. Why can't a halt do this on the way up? For real, man. Why we halted here? We halted here and resumed lower. Or no, actually, resumed there, pulled lower, and then do that. With a short, holy crap, you gap down from 869 to 794. A little bit over a share. A little bit less than a share as a gap down. Glad you told me to cut profits on my first short at 780. Was that when I told you that it didn't make a lower low here and be careful going to the long side? John, I'm sorry though, man. I'm sorry. Call up DM Clutch Trades and tell him to give him your money back. John, you need a DM Clutch Trades and tell him to give you your money back. Yeah, I'm sorry, John. That does hurt. It hurts because halts like this are not common, and so for you to be able to catch a halt like this and get stuck on the downside is pretty bad. So yeah. That's right. That's right. I told you that. So you were short here, and then you were down there, and I was like, yeah, this didn't make a low and it's holding VWAP and consolidating. I would be scared for you to hold this. So you took profits, and then you re-entered short. Great job, man. Gaska said he wants ORMP to do the exact same thing. Dude, it's likely, man. After you see this, ain't nobody gonna be buying a breakout today. Nobody. Nobody's gonna buy this breakout. Look at this. This clear downtrend held it with 5 candles. Nobody's gonna do that. KSMP held it down. Look at ORMP. I mean, I really doubt any stock is going to rally today just because of that. Especially these stocks like GOEV, GLSI, ORMP. I don't think any of these will do anything like that again. That's okay, John. I really would not stress it. Honestly, I don't know how long you've been trading, but I can tell you that I've been trading for almost 3 years, and I don't remember the last time I saw a halt this aggressive on the downside. I've seen them halt down, 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 but you have time to get off. Like IMTE did it again. IMTE did it twice just recently. Besides this stock, I haven't seen a stock that has done something like this. Like this, I mean, yeah, you see it halting, 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 push down, halt, push down, halt. Like there, if you held through this move, then there's something wrong with you. Don't trade ever again, right? But something like that on KSPN, dude, this stock rallied from 8:51 to 10. That's an hour and 10 minutes, an hour and 20 minutes. This stock rallied for an hour and 20 minutes to give it back in one, two, three, four candles. I'm buying the dip. Do not, man. Do not. This is gonna turn into IMTE. This is now. This is what I'm just saying here. This is what I was saying just here, right there. Look at this. People were like $5, $5 dip, $4.50, $4 dip, $4, $4 dip, $3, $3 dip, $3.50, $3.50, $2.50, $2.50, $2. Finally $2. Yeah, I would not touch KSPN. Clutch trades. Did you sell any? Okay, that makes me feel better, John. That makes me feel better. I didn't know if you were like $10, $50 days and then 100 is a big loss for you. But if $100 is an average loss for you, that makes me feel so much better. I don't feel bad for you anymore. Suck it up, Buttercup. You'll come back tomorrow. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. I'm kidding, John. That sucks. That sucks that happened. But it's a small red day, and just forget about this. I mean, it might be years before you get caught up in another halt like this. The only thing I can think of is, like I was saying, stock is up $5 a share today, right? It's rallied for an hour and 20 minutes. $10 is strong resistance, and this is the biggest flush this stock has had all day, from 10 all the way down to 9.15. That's a $1 flush off of a strong resistance, right? A $1 flush. At that point, you just cut it. You just cut the loss. You just get out of it, and that's what I mean. That's what I even on GOEV today. Watch right here. GOEV, right? GOEV. I loaded up on this trade. This is perfect, John. I loaded up right here, I loaded up right there, and I loaded up right there. It went up to 5, and I know $5 is a strong resistance. If I break 5, I have 3,500 shares ready to go. If it doesn't break 5 and pulls down, this candle right here is bigger than all of these candles right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One candle is bigger than all of these. When that pulled down, I immediately cut the trade out. This looks similar. Strong resistance, big flush. I got out right there on that same candle. I can show you. Cut your losses fast. I guess it didn't want to show me. It just disappeared. So I cut it out right there immediately. There's no, let's wait for a bounce. Let's see if it comes back up. There's none of that. You cut it out and you forget about it and you move on forward, right? Strong resistance, big flush, get out. Same thing with KSPN. It took me a while to find KSPN because I was looking for a green ticker, but it's red on the day now. Same thing here, right? Strong resistance, $10. One giant candle is bigger than 1, 2, 3, 4. All of these candles here. One red candle, get out of that. Close it. Don't wait for a pop back up, because that when its stock is up so much, that one candle right there, people are going to take profit right away. Everybody that was buying here, and sellers know that this stock has gone up $5. So when they see a strong move, they will chase that right there. No, clutch trades. You're not a. That's a sign from the trading gods right there. You're saying you really needed this because you're about to quit day trading until this happened? Right there. There we go. Market is on your side and market likes you. You're right, John. You're right. So yeah, no problem though. I'm just saying that if something like that happens, even if it's like, what was the offering though? Agaska looking to take out half of his position on ORMP at $11. Good job, Agaska. Good way to stay patient on it. Yes, sir. Glad I found this space. What? 313 a share. What is the resumption showing on this one? I don't look at that Nasdaq website. Oh, the offering price. Oh, there it's live. It's still dropping. Clutch trades. Oh my goodness, man. Oh, this room. Awesome, awesome. Appreciate it, man. It bounces off pre-market lows. Yeah, it did actually. That's ridiculous. Yeah, I would snatch that bag already. Clutch trade. You can't ask for any more, man. You can't ask for any more. You can't ask for any more. Oh, I have a question for you guys. I'm gonna put a poll up. I don't want to do this soon, but I'm just curious. Um, poll. Wait. Oh, create poll. You just made $1,800 on that? Deck took the bounce. Dang, that's a risky bounce. Yeah, I mean, I could have, because you saw the buyer step in, that candle flushed, and it instantly didn't halt, so it started bouncing back up. But I don't know. Guys, I'm gonna put a poll up for you guys to vote on a Tradecaster. This doesn't even apply to people on YouTube, so I'm gonna put it up just because I'm curious to know. So poll is up on Tradecaster. You guys go vote real quick. I'm kind of curious about this because I think some of you guys already pay for it and are part of Sean's, or were in here because of Sean. Are you a Tradecaster member already? Pay the monthly fee. Okay, so 80% of you guys don't and 20% of you guys do. Oh, 8317. How many votes is that though? Oh, I can only highlight it. Okay, okay, the votes are still coming in, guys. There's a poll open. If you don't know how to vote, go up to the top of the chat, and there should be a little polled little thing ticker up there. I don't know if it shows it on your screen or not, but it should be up there, and then you guys can vote on that now. Dart Trader, could you put the YouTube link for his stream in here so he can see what his thoughts was on this? Whose thoughts? Oh, you're talking about deck? Okay, looks like poll is closed, so 22% of you guys do have that membership already, and then 78% of you guys do not. Wait, Dart Trader, you don't have it? I'm calling you out, sorry. I thought you did have it, because I thought you watched Sean. Wait, then why'd you put no? What? Wait, I'm confused. All right, so 22% of you. Okay, okay, you switched your vote. Oh my god, idiot. All right, I'm stopping the poll. I was just curious. 33 of you guys do, and 67% of you guys don't. All right, thanks for that vote. I was just asking because Sean asked me if I was ready to switch to pay-per-view, and I said no. I haven't told him yet, but I'm not ready. I want to keep helping you guys for free, and I don't want to put that big expense on you guys. Yes, I will make money, and yes, that helps me out later on since this is my main job, and it'll be a little bit of a side income. But guys, I do really like this community. I do really like you guys being here and chatting and asking about stocks and questions and stuff like that. I really do like it. So I know if I switch to pay-per-view, I'm gonna lose a lot of you guys. I'm gonna lose a lot of you guys. And oh, Matt went paid already. Yeah, I mean, I expected. Um, but I don't want to lose you guys. So I'll stay free. But yeah, my goal is to eventually go paid because obviously it's just I'd be dumb to not be charging for this. Fingers crossed. I think 8K paper trade. And then Amir, um, I don't know. He's asking me because obviously he will make money off of me going, and I understand that. Props to him. This website's awesome. I like it. But I don't want to because I know that a lot of you guys, I'm going to lose a lot of you guys. I always said once I make it, I would teach for free and just have a tips tab. I thought about that too, but I mean, but what was I going to say? But I mean, let people pay me based off their success. I thought about that, but I mean, you're not gonna make anything. People are gonna tip you 20 bucks for something, and then they'll never tip you again, right? And another thing that I would do is, I understand a lot of you guys have smaller accounts, and I know that if I was to charge that much a month, that's expensive, right? I would do something way cheaper, but I don't think I can't. Somebody on YouTube said, "Don't you dare leave us, Juan. Free my boy Juan." I'm done trading today. Market shop sloppy. Happy a little green for the day. Yeah, and sir, you got that nice little bottom on SPY, so good job, man. I don't think I will go paid at all. I mean, not at all. I mean, soon. I don't think I'll go paid soon. I really do want to build this and get a lot more people and keep you guys around. If I do go paid, I'm thinking somewhere end of the year. So that's another 6 months. I may happen sooner if for some reason I feel like I need a little bit of side income. But I really do not want to lose you guys. I do like you guys being here, and so the only thing is if I stay free, I mean I'd be dumb to be giving this so much information and so much trading live that everybody charges for monthly. You know, like every person out there charges for their lives. Me personally, I would do it no issues, but I'm not sure if I would get into trouble by Deck for doing that. For doing what? Oh, I see. I see. I think with your upcoming teaching course, you'll be famous, bro. Then go pay-per-view. That's what would set you apart from other traders too. Sell your courses, sell your merch brand, and your personality in trading, of course. So that's what I think. It's me, Vic P Trades from Tradecaster. I'm just not on Tradecaster at the moment. Oh, okay, okay. I recognized the Vic. So my mind is this. My mind is this. This is what I kind of have planned. I'm really, really close to finishing the course. I got to make a couple videos, and I'm glad that you all and you could always set up donations like gaming streams. Bro, I already game. I'm trying to build. I'm tr- I'm trying to game. I'm trying to build my Twitch up too. But I stream with my friends. Y'all guys need. Agaska. It's Agaska's turn. It's Agaska's turn. It's Agaska's turn. Oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. Clutch trades and Agaska. This is what I love, man. This is what I love. The Dark Lord Agaska. I love this, man. I love all of you guys. I love this chat. I love this chat. I don't plan on making you guys pay for this anytime soon. I love you guys. What chat do you want me to look at? Answer, this is a business, buddy. Grow your community a little more than charge a membership. Don't listen to people tell you to stay free. Nothing is free in life. Yeah, that's exactly what I think. So, so this is what I'm thinking, guys. I'm thinking, and I'm telling you guys because I like you guys. I trust you guys. You guys trust me, obviously. You guys know that I'm a real trader. I'm trading a real account. Like, I'm not no BS trader out there. Yeah, I'm not a millionaire, but I make money, right? So my goal is this: to come out with my course within the next couple weeks. Maybe have it out by the end of July, maybe beginning of August. Have it out, and then promote myself as much as possible while I stream free, so people can say, "Nice, long take profits on this pop for real, man. Take your profits." We love you too, hon. I appreciate the service being free. Of course you do. Okay, okay. So I will probably advertise my course and say, look, if you have any questions, come and watch me free and watch me trade free. But I'm not going to be answering every single beginning question on my streams for free every morning, right? If you want to learn the basics, if you want to learn patterns, if you want to learn indicators, go and pay for my course, and then you can watch me trade live for free. And then eventually I might switch up to where it's if you pay for the course, then you watch me free at the same time. But I think my goal is to pay for the course and then everybody still watch me free. But yeah, I honestly, guys, if this was you guys know that you'd be too dumb to not charge for something like this. I mean, it's taken me 3 years to be a good trader and be consistent. Yeah, I'm up $1,000 today. The paid membership, yeah, it's like 100 a month, so that's a lot. That's expensive. That's expensive. I don't know that you guys watching me live, which honestly, it should be worth it because for one, you're seeing my scanners, and I pay $100 a month on my scanners, and I give it to you guys for free. Just my scanners alone, that momentum scanner up there, I pay $100 a month for that, and you guys get to see it for free. And then after that, I mean, technically, if you divide 100 by 20 days, 5 days times four, a month, divided by let's say 2 hours, and you're paying $100 for that, that comes down to like $2 or $3 a day or something like that. So you'd be paying $3 every time you watch me trade. But I won't do it anytime soon, guys. I just was getting y'all's information, getting y'all's thoughts, y'all's opinions. I do like you guys, so I'm gonna keep you guys around a little bit longer and try to grow it bigger. But I will say, I kind of liked a little bit of a hype on messages. So if you guys are on my Discord, you guys go on there and chat, post your profits, ask any questions, post charts, post any future trades you're looking at, post your profits from today, your red loss, your bad losses. Ape Trades had a very nice, encouraging like stock like that, and people like that. People get attracted to that. And I think that's something that I like, and I'm just kind of calm. I just come in here and trade, do my thing, and get out, you know. But appreciate you guys, and I will remember all of you guys. I'm still at the beginning of this whole journey. Bro, Kevin, you got something wrong with you, man. You're saying why would I pay you for a course? You're what, 3 years in? Um, I don't have a Twitter. I need to make a Twitter. Agaska, you get ready to take your profits, Agaska. Can somebody link me to YouTube? I want to see these comments. That's the wrong way to. Or even on my YouTube channels. Every time I post a recap, guys, go like it, go comment, go something, please. Here we go. Let's all grow together. Show him the P&L. I think Kevin made 2,800 today, so he has more profit than me. But it's not about profits. But I don't understand the whole. Try that. Vic, you watch my recaps every day? Also. Awesome. I mean, people are gonna hate. Oh, Agaska. Taking profits, Agaska? Taking half Agaska or no? Dark Lord? Fingers crossed, 5-day winning streak and then blew up today. Shake my hand. I love trading. That's okay, man. It's okay. It's okay. It happens to all of us. Jofi, if Dart Trader doesn't want to do it, it's okay. Don't force him into it. I would not. I wouldn't do that if somebody charged for something. You don't want to get caught and all of that. But um, I'm sure his reasoning it wasn't like, oh my God, it's a specific like support. I guarantee you, he probably just jumped in and said, this is pre-market low. That could be the high, the low, or hey, this stock literally has got 1, 2, 3, almost 4 halts in a row. It halted down again. It just halted down again. And then if you were no, you're cool, Joffy. I'm just letting you that his idea was probably okay. This is the low of the day, so you might expect a bounce around this area, maybe even down to this 530 line right here, and expect a bounce. And if you were to see these candles, this candle opened, instant flush. This candle opened, instant halt. This candle opened, instant halt. This candle opened and popped up. So it opened and popped up. Immediately, buyer stepped in. Nobody was buying on these candles. Everybody was panic selling, panic selling, panic selling, panic selling, panic selling. This one panic sold, hit a low of 552, and then instantly popped up. Then you could at least expect maybe some profit taken from all of these shorts and from people that are back in here. So I think it was probably something like that. I just don't see reason unless I prove yourself in this market, not last year's market. Everyone is losing money day trading, not me. I'm not losing money day trading. We've all been there, Leo. Yeah. My favorite vid was the one with Casa and MDVL from April. Yeah. Awesome day, guys. So today was pretty fun. Pretty fun. Made $1,000. Decent day. Finally got some momentum. I think I could have still traded this move here, but I left it alone. I was getting a little bit anxious. Wanted to keep my profit. Leo, so should you? If he's making money, why is he watching you trade? Oh, I didn't mean to say. Yeah, got it. But good day today. Awesome day for Goska. Awesome day for clutch trades. Leo also with a nice short, man. Awesome with a nice short. I think you gave some profit back, but you should still be green, I hope. Um, People on YouTube scalped Spy perfectly today as well. So pretty good day today, I think. Headed to lunch with the kiddo. Leo's still up $800. Good job. I didn't take any more trades, so here's my trades from today. 1,036 with 4 pennies. So a decent day. Definitely builds up the confidence. So I think I am going to call it a day, guys. And no, I will not be switching to pay anytime soon, I don't think. I like you guys. I love you guys. I want to keep streaming and helping you guys for free. You guys were the first one in here since I've been streaming free. And so you guys trusted me, believe in me, and therefore I'm going to keep helping you guys for free and learn from you guys. I am not superior to you guys. I am not a professional day trader. I am not somebody who makes millions. So any ideas, any comments you guys make to me, I will take them. legit, not with a grain of salt. And then hopefully you guys do the same thing from somebody that actually has been trading for 3 years as well, especially if you're a beginner. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna head out. Thank you for everything, Juan. This community is amazing. I'm glad I found you on TikTok a few months back. Yeah, I'm glad you guys found me too. I'm glad you found me too. Mursa, there you are. Mercer, I've been calling you all day long, man. Mercer, I've been calling you all day long, man. Where have you been? I hope you're doing good, Mercer. I hope. How's your trading been recently? I was asking you because there was a lot of downtrend breaks, and I know you're pretty good at those. So there's a lot of downtrend breaks that I think we've gone pretty recently that have played out. Oh, okay. And way to keep your red days small. See you guys mañana. Awesome. All right, guys. I'm gonna head out for the rest of the day. Today was a good day. Um, $1,000 is good, but I think the way I traded today made me a little bit more confident, and I'm happy at the way I traded today than the money wise. So I'm just gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it like this. Not attack the 5, 10,000 shares maybe, but try to look for the cleaner moves and ride them and stick them out longer. So thank you everybody that has been watching me consistently since I've started. Appreciate you guys always being here for the support. Hopefully you guys are learning a lot, or hopefully you guys are just enjoying the experience of trading with other people. Since I started trading, I never followed a chat room. I never followed anybody specifically. I never watched anybody trade live. I did it all on my own. So I know that when you have people around, it makes things easier, it makes things click in faster. You maybe see different point of views that you didn't on your own. So this definitely helps. And it's helped me also. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and you guys have a good rest of your day. Congratulations to Agaska and Clutch Trades. I don't care if you made less money than me, more money than me. You had the biggest percent gainer today, and just to be caught up in a halt like that is amazing. That must be a good feeling. So congratulations, D2. Y'all have a good day.